down. Welcome back to Hubs of Excellence. A series where Chandigarh University takes you inside the world-class Center of Excellence. Today, we are stepping into the skies at Hangar, the COE of Aviation and Aerospace Innovation, a place where future pilots, engineers, and aviation leaders are not just learning, they are building, testing, and flying ideas.
Before coming here, I was very passionate about fighter jets, but now I know how they thrust, how temperature affects performance, and how aerospace engineers innovate a safer and more efficient system.
Most universities teach aviation on paper, but here in Aerospace Modeling Lab, we build and fly our own designs, from weight balance to control surfaces. This lab teaches us what actually works in air.
Welcome to Aircraft Structural Lab. Here we work on axial load testing models. We calculate stress, then physically test failure points. Last semester, our batch ran over 120 structural test cycles. That's when you understand why design tolerances matter.
This is Aerodynamics Lab. This lab taught me how air actually behaves around wings. It's one thing to learn equations, another to see them in motion. We test different wing profiles and measure lift to drag ratios.
In experimental test setup, whatever we are having in our department, we are guiding our student through the real systems, real challenges, real problems. Currently, what the industries are facing.
From the first spark in propulsion lab to the precision of aerodynamics testing, Hangar is more than a center of excellence. It's where the future of aerospace innovators earn their wings. Because here at Chandigarh University, excellence isn't taught, it's built.